Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you the best Android browser that supports extension. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first one I want to show you here as far as best browser that supports extension for Android is concerned is this one right here, Lemon browser. So click on it. This particular Lemon browser, you can simply download it successfully from your Google Play Store. After you successfully download and install it on your Android phone, so it's going to take you to this particular interface right here. You can simply click on here. This allows you to switch from search engine to another search engine. You can see different options of search engine that you can switch to right here. Now, for you to have access to the extension of this particular browser, what you need to do is to simply click on here. So it's going to take you right here. This particular browser right here makes use of two extensions. You can either use Chrome extension or Edge extension. So what you want to do, if you are interested in having access to Chrome extension, click on Chrome right here, and in a few seconds it's going to load up and take you to all Chrome extensions right here. Then from here, you can download and install any extension into your browser. Alternatively, you can simply go back. If you want to get extension from Edge browser, click on Edge right here, and it automatically open Edge browser section whereby you can simply download any type of extension from Microsoft Edge browser and add it to this particular browser. Just like what you see right here, there are more extensions right here that you can simply download and install into the browser. Then from there, you can start explore. So this is one of the first one I would like to show you as far as best Android extension supporting browser is concerned. Let's take a look at the second one right here. The second one I want to show you here is Firefox. So what we want to do is to go to your Play Store, download Firefox browser. After you have successfully downloaded and installed it, it takes you to this particular interface right here. Now, for you to have access to extension of Firefox, what you want to do is to simply click on here. The next thing you need to do is to click on extensions right here. Then it's going to take you right here. You can simply scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more extension is going to load up. However, you can click on find more extensions right here. This allows you to see more extension from Firefox Mozilla browser. You can scroll down right here and check them out one after the other. You can click on see more trending extensions right here. This allows you to see more extensions that you can simply add into the browser. It's that simple. So these are top best Android browser that support extension. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.